Hello everyone and welcome back to another video of the AutoCAD full course 2019, and in this video you're gonna learn how to use the spiral command right here and how to draw a 2D spiral roll or 3D spring. Now as usual there are several ways to access this command, simply by clicking around the home palette on the ribbon, or just by going to view the tool palettes, or just by typing it on the screen as we learned in the last videos. Now I'm gonna go over and click on the icon. Simply he's going to ask you to specify the center of the base, to specify the radius of the base, then specifying the radius of the top, then he's going to ask you to specify the height of the spring. Now for now I'm going to keep it 0. Now this is a 2D dimensional spring. I'm going to go over and click again. I'm going to specify the radius of the base, then the radius of the top, then the height, then I'm gonna flip it to the 3D and you can see the difference between them. This is a 3D object and this is the 2D object on the plane. That was pretty much what we have for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you will subscribe to the channel. Thank you again, and stay tuned for another video.